know the bike is filthy. I still haven't changed the decal, but I want to show the Blackout. The dechroming is done. Exhaust heat shields. Foot peg mounts. And I have, you know, the covers on the passenger floorboards, on the frame, and on the forks. I also did some Pinnacle Blackout halo rings for the fog lights, and I painted the brake caliper and the deck lid. The old man deck lid is finally gone. That thing was sticking out like a chrome sore thumb. Some Gold Strike black grips. I like those. They feel very comfortable. No vibration. I know the bike is like rotten filthy. Also, Shark Road exhaust. This thing sounds like it has an attitude now. Here. I'll set up a mic and ride it soon enough so you can hear it. Yeah, it totally doesn't sound like a Goldwing anymore. Alright, quick video. Stay tuned for more. This thing's back in operation. The only thing that's on my mind now is the rims. Am I gonna black them out completely? Or am I gonna do something kind of custom on them? Or am I gonna just do something easy custom on them? I don't know. I gotta think about it. I like the hints of chrome and silver coming out. I might just leave them. We'll see. I can't leave shit alone, so that's BS. All right, later, folks.